Not everything comes luxury right away. Some things are pre-luxury, like the Liberty Inn here in Simpson Bay. Hi, I'm Phil from St. Maarten Sotheby's Realty. Let's take a look at this new commercial space that's available. It's got apartments in the back. Let's go check those out. Like I said, not everything is pretty upon arrival. Some things you gotta picture. And this place is in the perfect location to picture something beautiful. We'll start by taking you out to the location. So this is the patio for one of the units for the downstairs area, and it walks right out to this deck. So first let's talk about the location, because that's the most important part about this commercial lot that's for sale. You are in prime location. As you can see right over here, we've got the yachts popping out, so you know you're right in the heart of Simpson Bay. So it may not look like much on the outside, and it may not look like that much on the inside, but someone could really make an amazing spot right here in Simpson Bay. Okay, so we're back at the entrance. We got the main door that you enter. You've got some upstairs units, and then you have some downstairs units. They each have their own main entry, and then there's units inside. Check out the downstairs units first. So we've got multiple rooms here. So this could be an apartment, and that could be an apartment. That's what it used to be used for. So when you come into this place, you do have a little kitchen space, and then we've got a bathroom here, a main living area here, and a bedroom here. Now, I know it ain't pretty, but with the right ideas, someone could really make something special here. And what this does is this leads us back out into that patio space that I was talking about before. So, you've got your main door entry, but then this unit also has this patio. Inside this same unit, you have another area back here, and this could be a second bedroom, it could be an office, and it looks right out into the living space. So you've got at least a 2-bedroom here. Now we go out, and we're gonna check out unit number 2. Okay, so here's your second unit in the downstairs area. It has a kitchen area right here, and then a wide open space here. So there's a refrigerator here now, so this could be used as the main kitchen area. This could be used as the living room, or you could close this off. You could also make it a bedroom, which would also have its own little private hideaway that goes right out to the dock area. So there's some real opportunities here. As we continue on, we go into the next bedroom area. Here we've got a bathroom over here, and then another area that could be used as a bedroom with its own private little outdoor space, which also leads right out to the deck. So this has 2 main bedroom areas that could be used. And then there's 2 bathrooms and a little storage space in here. So, a little tight, but this could sure be used, and with the right amount of touch-ups, could be gorgeous. Okay, so now that we've seen the downstairs units, let's go check the upstairs units. As you can see, the location is prime. You're across from the atrium, right near the beach. Now we get into kind of what I assume was the inn part of Liberty Inn. Once again, we have a main entrance that leads into multiple rooms. They have this one labeled as room 1, 2. Obviously, you can label whatever you want. Let's check out room 1. So now with a little vision, you can start to kind of see how this space may have been used. It could either be used as a studio apartment, or if you run this as an inn, this would be a nice little room because there's a kitchen area, a living space, the bed, and there's a bathroom. And then you've got a view right over into the beach. So location is prime. Room 2 at the moment is a little dark. This is part of a process when you find a space that needs love and care and isn't ready to go. So right now, neither one of these storm shutters will open, but this does lead out into a deck that looks out onto the lagoon. So on this side, you have lagoon view and the same kind of setup. You've got your bed, your bathroom, and your little kitchen space and living area. So this is room 2. So now as we make our way down the hallway, we have room 3, room 4, and room 5. Let's check out room 3. So room 3 here is on the road side. Once again, we have a nice kitchen space. We've got a nice living area space over here. And one thing about this unit that no other unit has is the bedroom is actually up these stairs. So this room has a loft area where the bed is. So that's going to give you really nice space. This one could be more of a premium room if you converted it to that. All right, so now we're walking into room 4. This is another studio space where it's got the bedroom, little living area, and then it also has a kitchen spot, view of the street, right into Captain's Rib Shack actually. So that's kind of your placement. So if you're someone who likes to get Captain's Rib Shack at any hour of the day, walk across the street. So you can see again that this commercial space can be used for really good things because it's so close and so central. Now, taking you into another room, let's see if these lights work. Good, we're in room 5. It's the final room here. This is an actual 2 bedrooms. We have a kitchen here. We have the living space here. This is also gonna have a deck out to the lagoon. And, oh, we got lucky. And it has 1 bedroom downstairs. And then, this is where it gets kind of fun, you could say. We've got a bedroom up these spiral staircase. So yeah, another space there. So this is a 2-bedroom unit. Here we go up the staircase. You see the 2nd bedroom. Right there. So you've got another bedroom and also a bathroom. So that is the tour of this commercial space. Something creative could be made here. Like I said, sometimes luxury isn't already there. Sometimes you just gotta dream it. If you're looking to buy a commercial space here in St. Maarten, in the heart of Simpson Bay, contact the real estate agent on this listing, Harrison Reed with St. Maarten Sotheby's International Realty.